Yesterday we have studied first three factors of personality. The first one, heredity, we have discussed about heredity, endocrine glands, and we have seen family, how these three factors are very much important from personality point of view. Now the next one what we are going to study is peer group. When we say peer group, means what? Can I get any idea regarding peer group? Because it's not a new term for you people. As you are a psychology student, you have come across this particular term last year also in standard 11th. When we say peer group means what?
Ma'am, our friends which are our living our side.
Okay, fine, good. Good attempt. Now, peer group, when we say that means people who are living besides us or who with whom we are dealing every day, day to day. Now, when we are talking about children's, when we are talking about students in the students in the schools have to deal with the classroom, their classroom friends, their classroom colleagues, their teachers, their if they are going for tuitions, then they have to cope up with, they have to deal with these tuition friends and tuition students. Again, the society, the people living in the society. So when what happens? Peer group means the individuals, yeah, the individual who is being born and brought up in a society, yeah, in a society. When we are talking about in society, we see n number of different kinds of people are there, yeah. Few people are with good company and few people are with bad company. Good company and bad company doesn't mean a financial position. I'm talking about wherein the people, when we as an individual, when we are there in the society, when we are living in the society, we understand how the people are there, what kind of attitudes, of different attitudes the people are there in the society. Few people are helpful, few people are selfish, few people are having always a negative aspect regarding others. So what happens when we as an individual, when we are into a friendship or we are into a company of good friends, when we are dwelling or we are dealing with a company of good friends. For example, if I'm working in an office, and in an office if there is a good environment, the people each others, the people are helping to each other, there is a good environment and helping environment, a helping nature people are having in this in the office. So what happens? Each and every individual we have will be having an helping nature, will be having a positivity within themselves, yeah, will be having a healthy environment and healthy attitude within themselves. But if that particular individual is born, is taken out from that good environment and that is being shifted to a bad environment, wherein the wherein the people will start having a blame game, they will start cursing each other, yeah. A best simple example, I will be taking a simple example of the students. When you people go to a college, as a big college, when a child is going after 10th standard, when the child is going to a college, so if an example, if the child is with the good friends, he will be start studying, he will be getting good marks, he will be focusing on his studies part only. But if that particular child, if turn outs to a bad environment or a bad company of friends, what will happen? If his friend is bunking the lectures, he will also start bunking the lectures. I am not attending the lectures, why you are attending the lectures? Let us see, we will just read the textbook, we will be able to understand the chapter. So I am also not going to attend, you also don't attend the lectures. So what will happen? That particular child who was a studious one, who have scored 80% in his SSC, but after coming to college, if that person is engaged with a bad company of friends, and his friends, if they are bunking the lectures, he will also start bunking with them. Yeah. So this at this situation, peer group plays a very important role. If a person is with a good company of friends, he will be having a good positivity, a good behavior, a good attitude. If the same person is moving towards a bad company, he will be having a negativity, a negative performance, a negative attitude within towards his life. Yeah. Now school. When we talk about school, I am not going to speak anything about the school. You have to tell me about school. Yeah. You have to tell me about school. Yeah. Tell me.
When we are in school, we follow all the